Oh, the grip.
Yep, totally.
Wow.
And then this car come with this seat heater, steering warmer, which is the one that we are selling, don't have these features. 1, 2, 3 buttons. Okay. So this one, I believe in Malaysia also we
don't
rarely
really use it.
don't really use it.
It's not cool. It's not cooling seats.
Yeah, it's actually a
heater
seat warmer because this car is originally from Europe, right?
Yeah.
So they just need a seat warmer. And then it comes with this wireless phone charger as a standard. And then if we are talking about safety, the car is equipped with 7 airbags. And then we have the lane keeping assist, we have the autonomous emergency braking, we have the forward collision avoidance assist, and we have the speed limiter indication. You can see here 50.
Yeah.
But however, in Malaysia, the speed
The signage.
the signage is
Yeah.
not
Very clear
generic,
sometimes,
so that's why the car sometimes really pick up the speed limiter.
So it has lane keeping as an inverter
Yes,
itself.
correct. We have the active lane keeping and also the normal lane keeping as well.
Alright.
Okay. So talking about the drive mode on this car, so basically on your left side, okay, we have this button, we call it the drive mode button.
Right.
So this drive mode button consists of 3 modes. You can try to press it now, no problem. Okay, we have the sport.
Sport. Oh,
Okay,
The
and
valves
then,
open.
yeah, and then we have the eco, you can press it again. Okay,
Okay.
and then we have the normal drive as well. Okay, one more time, and then you
Okay.
go to normal. However, on your right side, that is the end button. So once you press, you can press it now. So now you go to the end mode, meaning
like
that is the
race
track
mode,
ready. Yeah, we call it as a race mode. And one more you press, it will go to the end custom. Okay, for the end custom, there is about 1,944 combination that you can play around to suit to your driving style. Okay, I give you some example. For example, the engine. Okay, you can choose to 3. Either you want it to behave normally, Sport or Sport Plus.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have this rev matching, or some people call it as the heel and toe technique.
Yeah.
So for those driver doesn't have the experience to do it, the car will do it for you.
So does it mean that if Sport Plus is going to be more...
Yeah, more control.
More control.
So we can just off it. Can you see at the cluster there is a rev in red color, right? So you just press off and then the thing will go off.
Yeah.
And then if you select normal, it will be in white color. Sport will be in amber. Sport Plus will be in red. So when you are driving, you know where is the setting all about. So you can adjust accordingly to your needs. So this is the indication that we have, yeah. And then we have the ELSD. So basically now I set it to sport. However, we have it in normal as well. So if let's say in normal, basically the control will be lesser, and then you can feel a little bit like a tire spin lah during hard cornering. But however, if you select it in sport, it will full control that you won't feel any understeer or oversteer. Okay, so this is what we have for the ELSD, and also for the exhaust sound. Okay, now I would like you to try to rev the car in normal mode. Okay. Okay, never mind, you can rev up. Okay, here is a bit more like a normal sound.
Yeah.
However, if I change it to sport, okay, you can, it will be more aggressive sound.
Yeah.
However, if I put it to Sport Plus, okay, you can rev.
Okay, I love that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can adjust accordingly to your needs.
Sport Plus that is one.
Alright, no problem. Okay, and then not only on the engine side, we also can control the chassis as well. For example, the suspension type. Okay, we have the soft setting, mid setting, and also the hard setting.
Yeah.
Okay, however, for this custom, I will put it in normal.
lah.
Because why? During the test drive later, I will give you the experience on the N mode itself and also the custom. So both you will experience it. Okay, so we can know lah what is the suspension setup look like and so on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we have the steering feeling as well. Normal, light,
Whether it's
medium and
heavy or not
hard.
lah.
Yep. Okay, the common one. And also the ESC, we have normal and also sport. If let's say you select in sport, so it will assist you around 50 to 40% only during any understeer or oversteer. However, we have the off function as well. If let's say I press off, you can see at this cluster,
Yeah.
and I put it into off. So traction, stability control disabled, and also brake override is disabled. So meaning that you are on your own.
Oh, means dangerous mode lah.
Yes, dangerous mode. But however, for today,
Yeah lah,
I will just keep it in
put
sport.
off. Yeah.
Okay. And as well for the suspension, okay, this car is active suspension type of setup we're having.
Oh.
For Hyundai, we call it the Skyhook system.
Yeah.
It's not Skyactiv, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a Skyhook system. Whereas we have 3 G sensors on the body,
Oh.
and then we have another two more G sensors at the suspension itself.
Okay.
So the system will calculate what is the travel distance and also the bouncing of the body. So from there, the system will automatically adjust the dampening rate to suit the driving condition. So this is what we have for the performance package. If let's say a normal i30N would have this such of features.
Very advanced.
Alright, for example, another one more, like this ELSD is only available for the performance package. The standard one don't have it. So I can say the standard one will be a bit more cheaper if compared to the performance
And
package.
it's really a standard car.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. So are we ready, Mr. Chin? You are in. Alright.
You go, where is it?
So before we move out, I need you to observe safety first.
Yes.
So is it your driving position is okay?